everyone, how are you all? So I am here with a very interesting video today, and today I am going to make a worksheet which you can use with the kids at home for homeschooling and in the school also. So let's start. Today the theme is fruits, so I will make a worksheet related to this theme, fruits only. So I will draw some fruits here on this side. So first of all I am drawing an apple. So this is an apple. Now I will draw a banana. Now, now I will draw grapes. So this worksheet you can use for your homeschooling and online school also. So anywhere you can use it. So it's an interesting activity. So this is grapes, and now you can write the spelling also here. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Even you can make this worksheet in front of children, so they will also enjoy it. If you will write the spellings, then they can learn the spelling also. Now you can draw the same fruits here on this side also. So you can draw any fruit whichever you want on whichever side. So I will start with again with banana. So this is your banana fruit. So these are actually, whenever you draw this worksheet, you can sit along with the kids. So they can actually also enjoy it, and they can see, and their concept will get really very easy. It will be easy for them to understand. And the most important thing is that actually I love to draw. So this is a very good activity which I enjoy with my kids. And I use sometimes this sheets in school, and sometimes I use this with the kids also at home. So this is your grapes. I can draw the grapes now. So you can draw grapes. And now last one which is left is, you can even ask the kid, okay, now tell me which one is left, which one shall I draw. So you can ask this, so they will also give you the answer. And the last one which is left is now apple. So this is your apple. So children will love this activity. So this is very important and easy activity. So you can just draw them and you can give it to them. And if they know, if they are little elder, they can actually color it also themselves. And you can ask them to learn the spelling also. So they can actually learn the spellings also, and color it also. And if they are small kids, then you can actually color it for them, so it will be more colorful. So I will color it here. So okay, this is very interesting. If you can make this worksheet in front of kids, so children will learn, okay, tell me which color is this. So you can ask this also, which color is this. They can tell, okay, have you seen the apple, what is the color of the apple, and then you can draw. So you can actually, while making the worksheet, you can teach many things to them. This is the advantage of worksheet. Otherwise you can get worksheet from anywhere, but actually if you will make in front of them, they will learn many other things also. Now you can ask, okay, have you seen banana, what is the color of banana, can you give me the color which I can color in banana, so they can give you, then you can tell them, okay, which is, are they giving you the right color or the wrong color? Okay, now tell me, what is the color of grapes? Have you seen grapes? Okay, can you tell me, give me the color? So this can be a very good activity. Children can really enjoy it, and actually you can actually teach them so many things, and while that, till the time the worksheet will end, they will learn everything. So that is the advantage of this worksheet. So now same way this side also you can color, or you can do one thing also, color one side and you can ask the kids to color the next another side, and they can color it, and they can actually, this way they will learn about the colors also. Now you can color this also, this side also, so it will look more colorful, and this also you can give to the kids. So you can see how many ways actually you can do the worksheet. And the most interesting thing, let the child sit along with you, so actually they can see how you are making the worksheet for them. And they will also actually, you can ask them many things, okay, bring the apple from the kitchen if the kit is already available there. So, and please, one request to you all, if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe it and share it with others. There are so many things available all my channel, you can go through them. The most important thing is, actually I love to draw simple drawings, and actually that's why, and it is very important to make the things visually for the children, so they can actually learn, they can see and learn. That is very important. And this worksheet, actually this will create a very good bond between you and the children, your children. And actually you can just, they will enjoy it, they will enjoy this worksheet. That is the most important thing. For sure they will enjoy it. So okay, from my side, please subscribe it and share it. So I hope you must have enjoyed this video, and if you have enjoyed, please subscribe it and share it with your friends. And whoever loves to draw, they want worksheet for their kids, they want to draw something, are interested in preschool education, so these worksheet will be really useful for them. Okay, bye from my side, and now I will bring many more worksheets for you. If you want something in particular, please write in the comment section, so I can bring those things also for you. And till my next video, I just want to say a bye to you